Straightaway, guys, it's going to be Jaime at the number 1, Nelson at the number 2, John Cadillo at the 3, Larry, you're going to line up at the number 4, Nazareno at the 4, John Valentico at the 5. Leave the 6 open. Jason Mavrakis, you're going to line up at the number 7. Mike Carino will line up at the 8. Ronnie will line up at the 9. And Patrick Silvero at the number 10.
To the start of the race.
Rob, for the start, if you could stand on the other side of the mix, and then once they clear the straightaway, go out to your spots. All right, just making sure that grid is proper. Thanks, Stuart.
Nice.
With my one ticket, mine.
Those are nice, yeah, $35.
6 open, yeah.
Yeah, no, that's good.
All right, grid looks good. Corner marshals are ready. And our drivers are ready. It's TC 25.5A1. We're going racing in less than 5. Off and running. Jamie Renzelia, Nelson, and Larry. Looks like about a 3 or 4 car breakaway. It looks like Cadillo trying to stay with that front group. Let me check. The mid lap is set for 10. Just making sure the first lap is correct. And it's Jaime, Nelson, and Larry are top 3, followed by John Cadillo and John Valentino to round out the top 5. Uh-oh, trouble for the green and yellow. Okay, looks like John's Porsche cut me. Jaime, Nelson, and Larry, watch you coming out of the straightaway, left-hand side, watch you coming out of the straightaway, watch you coming out of the straightaway, and we're clear. Nelson Cortez out in front, 15.2, Nazareno in the second spot, 15.2, identical lap times for our top 2, the Mavrakis in third, 15.6. Race leaders down the backstretch, separated by about a quarter of a straightaway length. Nelson and Larry.
Oh, it's just
separated now by 3/10. Nelson, look in the rearview mirror. Yeah, Larry's right there. It's the blue car nagging at the leader across the start-finish line. 15.3 to a 15.6. We'll be coming up on a little bit of traffic here. Jason Mavrakis still in that third spot.
not running after it.
Our lead battle's coming up on John Valentico. And they get there. Two minutes and 45 seconds left to go. Got 2:45 left. Nelson, Larry, Jason. So Mavrakis in third, Scott Company. Here comes Carino and Cadillo. Uh-oh. A little hiccup there for Larry. Went hard into the chicane pipe. And then the battle for third coming across the start finish. That's going to be Mike Carino in third now. Mavrakis in fourth. Cadillo to round out the top 5 off the end of the straightaway.
I got spread out. I spread them out.
Nelson, Larry, and Mike are top 3 here. Race number 6 on the track. Race number 7. Yeah, ready to go.
I don't know how new it is. It's the G4. That's the roar.
At the 13.51.
Control scale 17.5, processing through tech. Race number 8, start thinking about it.
I either turned in earlier or the car kind of flat spun going vertical. I think I turned in early, which would mean...
Nelson Cortez out in front of Nazareno, separated by 6 tenths the last time I lead. Battle continues as it comes on the course of great Patrick Silvero.
Yeah. I think it just landed and you hit it.
Tell me a car. I'm still coming from the ripples there.
Yeah. That's it.
Larry bouncing off a couple pipes there.
And this is the next stop.
No, then there's 13.5.
Nelson coming up on track. Oh man, good awareness there for Nelson. Saw that lapper take a bobbly, checked up. Didn't want to get collected there. So here's our leaders. First across the line, second across the line. Separated by 6/10 again. Watch at the end of the straight. We're clear. 45 seconds left to go.
I think I was the first one through second.
Well, actually,
You got to go up and over anyway.
my goal is to go maybe 8 laps without getting the lead car.
He said forget about it.
We'll see.
30 seconds. Nelson and Larry are top two. Coming up on some heavy traffic. Flores and yellow. Your leader. Light blue is second. We're coming up on that bracket.
Yeah, you do the bad.
Yeah, oh, I have nothing. And I cut his fence wiring on night time.
Jason, you got your leader with you. Thanks. And our
Yeah, he
race
had like
leader.
one wire left in the fence wire.
Coming up on fourth right there. And John taking a ball. John, you got the race leader with you as well. Now Flores and yellow. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Light blue is second, guys. Light blue is second. He's with you now,
So
John.
we went down to 36 timing and geared up.
White flag is out when you cross the start finish line. You will be done. I think you're done. John, you're done. Nelson, you're done with the win. Jason, Practice going to take third. John Cadillo fourth. There's Larry. And that's a race. Everybody is done. Bring him in and shut him down. Again, bring him in and shut him down. So Nelson Cortez taking the win. Larry Nazarino second. And it looks like Jason Breakfast third.